Okay, so this is what I'm talking about here. So many things to explore. Oh, and I don't know if you guys have ever seen a rainbow. I don't think you can really see it in there, but it's forming a perfect circle in the sky versus like the common half one pot of gold, one end. This is actually it's like an aurora. It's interesting. And in between, what it looks like heaven and hell battling it out. There's a constant gap of clear sky in the middle, dark clouds to one side, and some very light, fluffy ones to the other side. But anyway, that's just something that caught my attention. Now, I'm going to assume these gun emplacements were probably done during World War II. I'm going to assume for Nazi Germany and the Third Reich. But here's one of them right here. Coastline, it seems to be littered with them. I just wasn't expecting. Well, I guess it makes sense. This is a small channel in between. Yeah, they would want to guard it. I'm gonna walk up there and see what else is inside. Get you a better picture. Bear with me. Whoa. What we got? Not overgrown. Okay. There's definitely a tunnel system back there. But that's not for today. I've done enough walking. I got other ones I want to pick out and make a video on. Alright. This was fun. Oh, yeah, check this out. Check out that view. Not too bad. Alright, Ghost is out.